What's poppin', people? I'm Robert and this is the Crypto Corner. But before we get started, allow me to remind you to smash that notification bell, hit the like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Now on with the video. What's poppin', people? This is the Crypto Corner and I am your host, Rob, and I'm just giving you some market update on what's going on in the world of crypto. And in this particular article, we're going to be talking about Tesla's Elon Musk and Twitter's Jack Dorsey. But before we get into that, I want to give you the word from our sponsor, which is the like button. So if you love and enjoy quinoa, hit the like button. If you hate quinoa or don't even know what the hell it is, hit the like button. With that, we're going to get into our information here. And it's really talking about Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, who are going to have an event, and the event is called the B Word, okay? And it's going to happen actually next month. Let's get a little bit into the article here. It says Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk and Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey have agreed to have a discussion at a Bitcoin event called the B Word. And according to the website, the B Word event will take place on July 21st, and it is called. And it is a Bitcoin-focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin, explain how institutions can and should embrace it, and raise awareness around areas of the network that need support. Its website details. And of course, Dorsey and Elon went on, he promoted it here on his Twitter, and Elon also responded here, right? So they want to just talk about Bitcoin and some of the changes that they could do, right? So one of his quotes, he says, as more companies and institutions get into the mix, we all want to help protect and spread what makes Bitcoin open development so perfect. This day is focused on education and actions to do just that, the Twitter CEO wrote, right? So they're going to go ahead and have the discussion, and they're going to be talking about Bitcoin, raising awareness and getting a little bit of understanding. And like they said, the focus will be on education. As we know, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin in the first quarter and was accepting the cryptocurrency for payments in March. And then, of course, you know, he turned around and said he's not going to do that because it's not as environmentally friendly. But there's going to be some news coming out. So let's just keep our ears pinned back for that. Speaking of institutions in adoption and embracing, you got 10,000 financial institutions can now let customers buy, sell, hold Bitcoin through their bank accounts. Now, let's see how that's going to happen, how they're going to make that happen, right? It says FinServ Inc., okay, it is on the NASDAQ, a global leader in payments and financial technology, announced Wednesday that banks and credit unions of all sizes can facilitate buying, selling, and holding Bitcoin within their global banking platforms. Now, let's see how they do that. To enable the Bitcoin option, FinServ has integrated with New York Digital Investment Group, a Bitcoin technology and financial service subsidiary of Stone Ridge, a $10 billion alternative asset manager. FinServ has nearly 10,000 financial institution clients, almost 6 million merchant locations globally, and 100 million digital banking users. Its website details. A member of the S&P 500 index and the Fortune 500, the company claims to facilitate more than 12,000 financial transactions per second. The announcement explains that the integration with NYDIG will allow customers to manage Bitcoin transactions directly within their financial institutions' online and mobile banking portals, providing users an easy way to buy, sell, and hold the popular digital asset through their trusted financial institutions. Okay, so now they're going to make it possible for people to do this. And this is just more adoption and more use case, people. This is what's going on. Bitcoin, it is growing faster than the internet, faster than anything that we've seen in the history of technology. The growth is just exploding. Now, I know some of you say, you know what, Robert, it looks like we're in a bear market right now. Well, I don't know. I'm looking at the charts and I don't think we're in a bear market just yet. I think there's a few more indices and a couple of things that need to happen for us to truly be in a bear market. I think this bull cycle is coming to an end, but we know a couple of things happen. I mean, you know, China, they got rid of all the mining and stuff, and that kind of, you know, affected some things there. So there's a huge sell off. Some of the miners over there had Bitcoin. They had to sell off some of that. So you're going to see a lot of that. But what you don't see, which is behind the scenes, is you see institutional investors. Okay. Some of the big whales, they are still buying Bitcoin. Okay. Behind the scenes, they are loading up their bags right now. Okay. So don't be fooled. The adoption is here. It is coming. It is growing. You already know about El Salvador, and other countries are going to follow suit. So guys, there's some things that are coming up on the horizon. Again, this is just information. This is not about financial advice or what you should do. And as I say always, nobody's going to care about your money as more as yourself, more than you. Okay. No one's going to care about your finances more than you. So please do your due diligence and make your own decisions. This information is just just another log on a fire, so you can go ahead and disseminate through all the information that comes at you on a daily basis. With that, sound off in the comment section down below. Let me get your thoughts. And this has been your crypto commentary.